Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create drop shadow in Illustrator. So, let's get it started. First, I have this artboard with 1920 by 1080 dimensions. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Select all, and change its color to Poppins Black. And adjust its size and position. Select the rectangle tool, and create a shape. And change its fill color to white. Right-click on it, arrange and center backward. And round its corners a little bit. Then go to the Effect menu, Stylize and then Drop Shadow. Follow my settings here. And hit OK. Go to the Object menu, and Expand Appearance. Right-click, and ungroup them. Select the drop shadow, go to the Object menu, Envelop Distort then Make with Mesh. Set its rows and columns to 2. Go to the Direct Selection tool, select this anchor point, and drag it upward. Select the sides points, and drag them downward. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.